Equilibrium is defined as the condition when the vector sum of all the forces acting on an object is zero. There are two types of equilibrium: static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium.
At top of the ladder, there is a normal force due to the wall. The gravitational force is acting at the center of the ladder. There are torques due to these forces. If the angle is large enough, the net torque and the net force are zero, and the ladder is in equilibrium.
Fight!
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Okay, bye.
An object in motion is said to be in dynamic equilibrium if the result of all the external force or torques or a combination of both acting on the object vanish so that the object continues to move with the same velocity. Now, let's hear the explanation about all the torques in all of these examples.
When you twist the cap of a water bottle, you are applying torque. Torque is the rotational force that causes an object to rotate around an axis. The axis of water bottle, it is located at the center of the bottle lid. By gripping the cap and applying force at a distance from the axis of rotation, you increase the torque, making it easier to open the bottle.
The door has hinges that we call as pivot point on one side. To successfully open the door, you need to apply a force. This force will cause the door to rotate about its hinges or its axis of rotation. A doorknob is placed far away from the turning axis as its hinges to provide more leverage when you push or pull the doorknob. The direction of your applied force is also important. In opening a door, your push must perpendicular to the plane of the door. A perpendicular push or pull gives more rotation for less effort.
Arm wrestling is all about torque, which is the force needed to cause an object to rotate around its axis. In an arm wrestling match, whoever creates the most torque is likely going to win. In the case of an arm wrestling match, the object is our opponent's hand, their elbow is the axis of rotation, which is pivot, and the moment is located at the forearm. Our ultimate goal is to apply enough force on our opponent's hand so that our opponent's forearm rotates at the elbow and ends up touching the table.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر والليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
This ayat shows that equilibrium happens on the Earth. We know that Earth rotates on its axis with specific constant velocity. If the Earth is not in constant velocity, Earth will come out from its axis and will crash with other planets. This shows that Earth experiences a dynamic equilibrium.